Okay, we are going to use the same method that was described in problem number 3 to solve this. So the first thing we're going to do is take two of the equations and eliminate one of the variables. I don't know that there's necessarily a good choice for this. I think I'm going to eliminate x's. You wouldn't have to eliminate x's. You could pick a different variable. But I'm going to take equations 1 and 2 and eliminate x. So in order to do that, I'm going to have to multiply that top equation by -3. So over here, that's going to be -3x minus 3y plus 6z equals -9. My bottom equation, I'm going to just leave alone. And that's going to eliminate my x's. So I get -5y plus 10z equals -8. Put a star next to that because we're going to need to come back to it. Okay, now I'm going to pick a different two equations to eliminate x again. Always have to eliminate the same variable. So I already did equations 1 and 2. This time I'm going to do equations 1 and 3. So I need to multiply this by -2. So that's going to give me -2x minus 2y plus 4z equals -6. And then that bottom equation I didn't change. The x's eliminate, so I get -5y plus 10z equals 2. All right, star that equation. For the next step, you're going to take the two starred equations, and the steps are written up in the last problem. Okay, we want to solve the two starred equations. So let me bring those down here. We have -5y plus 10z equals -8, and -5y plus 10z equals 2. I think I'm going to multiply this bottom equation by -1. So that's going to change all of the signs. That did not go very well. Hang on. So that's going to make that positive, negative, and negative. And then the y's eliminate, the z's eliminate, and I get 0 equals -10. Does that sound right? Yeah, that is right. And clearly that's not true. Okay, that is not going to work. It's nonsense. 0 doesn't equal -10. So this has no solution. Okay, no solution to this set of equations. These three lines do not intersect at a single point. Now, down at the bottom of your page, you have this. It's the very same thing we talked about in lesson 9.2. If you have a system of linear equations, either there's one solution and you can find it, which we did in number 3. We had a solution. There could be infinitely many solutions. We haven't seen one of those yet. Or there's no solution. And the no solution ones come in like we just saw when you get some sort of nonsense like 0 equals -10. Okay, the infinitely many solutions are the ones that are going to take a little bit more work to explain how to find those solutions. Okay, because remember, if there are infinitely many solutions, that means they're all the same line, but that does not mean that every point in the whole wide world is a solution. We need to show how to generate those. So I will show you that in the next video.